Got the engine ready to paint. We ended up taking the heads off and sending those to the machine shop so that we could have new valve stem seals installed. Everything else is ready, painted, and ready to be put back together. We're just waiting on the heads to come back. Little update. I got the engine all together. Everything's painted up and assembled, getting ready to put back together or in the car. Still have to rebuild the carburetor and redo the lines that goes to it. We even went back with factory Ford hoses on it. Everything's painted up nicely and look pretty good. Waiting on some spark plug wire holders. The ones that was in it, the rubbers were dried out pretty bad, and we are going to convert it over to electronic ignition, but everything else is looking pretty good. So a little update on the 56 Ford. We went ahead and took the front fenders, the radiator support, and everything off so we can get in to paint the firewall and paint all the insides and outsides of the inner fenders and the outer fenders and everything. Gonna put all new rubber suspension in, all new upper and lower ball joints, control arm bushings and everything. All that'll be replaced and of course repainted. This way we can get in the firewall real good and get everything, put it back to factory or better than factory. Making a little progress. Got the wheels all painted, new tires put on. We're making a little progress. We got the heads back today and should get the engine back together soon. So a little update. We got some of the wheels painted. Well, all the wheels painted. Some more of the engine parts, the fan and the pulleys and the heater ductwork. Got all that done. We stripped it all the way down to bare metal and put 2 coats of epoxy primer on everything, 3 coats of black and 2 coats of clear. So it should be good to go. Maybe we can get some tires mounted up here in the next day or so and get the car rolling. Painted. Need to do a little bit of touch up on the black. New suspension parts are all in, upper and lower ball joints. We're gonna put in new tie rod ends, all new bushings on the A-arms. Everything that's rubber is pretty much gonna be replaced on it. New shocks. Springs are painted and the factory yellow stripe to orient the end of the curl on the spring is put back just like from the factory.